Okay, guys, I wanted to take a little bit of time today and go over the Photoshop skills you need to use to produce your locus of control chart. Okay, most of them are very simple. It starts with making sure you are in the spot you need to be with setup. And many of you have, I think, still skipped this step. So you're going to go to Settings, you're going to go to, and then you're going to click OK. Now I'm just going to hit Command R to get my ruler up. And now I have this, and you can see that it's in inches rather than pixels. 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper. So I want you to place two guides before we get started here. My paper's 11 inches long. That means I want a guide at 5.5. Boom, done. It is 8.5 inches wide. So that means I want a guide at 4.25, that's right. And you notice that it'll snap there, okay? Those are what we're gonna use to line up. We need 3 layers of circles for this locus of control assignment. And that tool, the circle tool, is under, usually that's the rectangle tool, but all your shapes are there.